Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you exactly and step by step how you can quote someone's messages in your conversations on Slack really quickly and without any technical knowledge whatsoever. So let us get started. Now, doing this is super simple, guys. Let's say, for example, you would like to quote a message you've been sent by the Slack bot just for the sake of this tutorial. So simply head over to the conversation and copy the message you would like to quote. So let me go with that message the Slack bot sent me, just like that. Highlight it and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. After that, head over to the conversation where you would like to place the quote in. So let me go with that conversation here and left click on the text box below to start your message. But before you paste your copied message or quote here, guys, make sure that you start a new line by pressing Enter and left shift on your keyboard, just like that. And here you can now paste your copied message from the Slack bot, just like that, by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. But before you send it, guys, make sure that you precede it here, left to that, or at the beginning of that line, that you precede that quote with a symbol like this here. Click on the block quote, or alternately, use the greater than key on your keyboard. So let me go, for example, with that key here. And after that, you will see that quotation symbol here. And then the last step, simply send your quoted or your message, including a quote, by pressing Enter or by pressing or clicking on that key in the bottom right corner to send the quote. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. As you can see, it is super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.